Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, in this video I am going to show you how to display this PC or my computer icon on the desktop in Windows 11. So friends, as you see, there is no this PC or my computer icon in the desktop screen in Windows 11 PC. Now to add the this PC or my computer icon on the desktop screen, you just need to right click on the desktop screen and then you will find an option personalize. If you cannot see this option, then you have to click on show more options. Then you will able to see the personalize option. And then you just click on personalize. After that, you will find an option themes. Just click on it. Now scroll down and then you will find an option desktop icon settings. Just click on desktop icon settings option. And now you will able to see various desktop icons, computer, network, control panel. You just need to select the checkbox against computer. If you want other desktop icons, just click on the checkbox against them and then you have to click on apply and then click OK button. Now see, this PC or my computer icon appears on the desktop screen. Now let's add this PC or my computer icon in different way. Simply just click on search button and then in the search box just type desktop icon and then you will find an option themes and related settings. You just need to click on these options and now you have to scroll down to the desktop icons. Just click on it and these steps are similar to the previous steps. Just select the computer icon and then click apply and then click OK button. So friends, in this way you can add this PC or my computer icon on the desktop screen in Windows 11. So thanks for watching this video. Also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.